So we're near our final moments of our wash. It was pretty quick, I'm not gonna lie. That was our rinse. We're gonna drain it now. Water's not that bad. Let's see how the clothes came out. Here, hold this, or you pull them out. Moment of truth, guys.
Wait, you're covering the light.
Blame it on the light. Oh. Well,
then again, that was
I didn't.
stain.
Yeah, that was wood stain. I didn't expect that to come out. A lot of these are older shirts that I've just been using to work on. How do they smell?
Smell great.
Yeah, they look good.
Go smell.
I mean,
Smells
this is the real. This is the real moment of truth. Let me get something to put in here. Here. Just picking through. So they say not to underpack it and not to overpack it, because they say it starts tumbling. This is my first time doing it, so I'm just eyeballing it right now. You know, it's like a trial and error. It's basically halfway full, so yeah, let me just say this for the next cycle.
Could probably fill one more thing.
True. I'll put one more thing right here. This one. On this shirt. So it comes with a lid. Just press it down. So here's some water coming out. I don't know. I think I could put something else in here. Yeah, I'm definitely underestimating it. Or should I just, let me see, 1, 2, 3. No, I'll do those 3. Alright, we're gonna see how this works.
So how many items you have in there?
I definitely didn't count. I probably have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so these are dirty from the wood stain from walking. Like I said, I didn't expect them to be super clean, but they smell really good. Okay, so let's see how this works. Okay, look at that. Yeah, no, it's pretty smooth.
But it's not too bad.
Yeah, no, it's not. At first it started humming. I guess it just had to adjust, but no. That's my luck. I nailed it in one shot. And so this is the spin cycle, the Costway mini compact washing machine. So we set it at the highest. It was 5, and we're gonna see basically what's the result at the end of that. All right, guys.